Hey guys, how to check saved draft reels on Instagram. Open the Instagram, right? Click on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click the plus button. This is usually at the top right or the bottom center. You can choose whatever you want. And then basically choose reel from the options, right? And then look for drafts. You're gonna be able to see next to the recent, you're gonna be able to see drafts. Click on the drafts option at the top of the screen, tap on it to view your saved drafts. You're gonna be able to see it and you're gonna be able to modify it or just publish it immediately. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.